Hi, my name is Carrie and I run Cookbook Divas, and I do not know much about cooking with cast iron, period. So I grabbed this modern cast iron book from my local library. Had to wait a couple weeks for it with the whole situation being what it is. This is by Ashley L. Jones, The Complete Guide to Selecting, Seasoning, Cooking, and More. I figured this will be educational for me, and we're getting into fall. I'm going to be cooking more at home. August 2020, so this is new. When did this come out? Okay. I do have a Lodge cast iron pan. I don't use it very often. This came out in 2020. Okay, new. Let's check out the chapters and the contents. Introduction, a family tradition, a return to cast iron, shopping for cast iron. Probably don't just go to Target and buy a Lodge cast iron pan like I did. Healthy cast iron. Yeah, I do not know how to season mine. Seems complicated. Caring for cast iron, cooking with cast iron. So this isn't necessarily just a cookbook. It's also very helpful info, I'm assuming, on what to do with it. So, yum, I already want to cook just based on that picture. Okay. Always remember, gone with the lard isn't the end of flavor. Okay. So, I wonder how many recipes will be in here. Okay, family tradition. I've never made cornbread in those little corn on the cob shaped little cast iron pans, but I've always wanted to buy one and have an excuse to make it. It looks cool. Oops, I have to be careful. This is a library book. Lots and lots of pictures. You're getting to know who they are. The history of cast iron. Now, I do have a cast iron pot on a tripod like this in my outdoor shed for cooking over a fire in an emergency. Because every few years our power goes out here in the remote parts of far away the suburbs of Seattle, Washington, because of snow or ice storms, and we end up having to cook on a fire pit, but it rains and snows here sometimes. Well, it rains all the time. So I have one of these on a tripod that I can lift carefully over. You can cook just on aluminum foil, and that way the pot is protecting the fire from getting rained on and you can still cook. So I've practiced with that a couple times for emergencies because you don't want to wait till an emergency. Shopping for cast iron. Okay. Ooh, they're showing you different kinds of shapes. How many should you own? Ooh, wait, is that a cast iron bud pan? Okay. I know I've been doing everything wrong with seasoning it badly. Okay, buying used, fry baskets. Healthy cast iron. This is a beautiful food photo. I'm not just going to take this book back to the library after I've done peeking through it with you. I really need to read it and learn how to care for cast iron. I know I've been wiping it with some kind of oil and then throwing it in the oven for X amount of time. Seasoning. I'm doing it wrong. And I know we can't use soap. So how do you get it clean? Oh, yeah, that's kind of like what mine looks like right now. Guilty as charged. I like that everything is split up into little easy to kind of scan categories. Easy to read. It doesn't actually look boring. Cooking with cast iron. Here's the good stuff. Seasoning, making gluten-free, choosing your pan for the... Okay. The perfect egg. Rendering bacon. I'm not going to be cooking bacon because I'm vegetarian, but my boyfriend can. Blueberry compote. A peach Dutch baby right in the cast iron. Yes, please. A quiche. Good idea. I didn't think of making quiche in a cast iron. Traditional biscuits. Biscuits are something I have not mastered, so thank you, Bisquick, for helping me. Buttermilk pour biscuits. Cornbread. This is awesome. Can you do chili in cast iron? Corn pone, sweetened cornbread, southern cornbread, appetizers, taco seasoning, layered nachos. I never would have thought to make nachos in cast iron. We just make ours on a cookie sheet or something. Spinach casserole. Good food photography. Collard greens. Baby limas. Homemade mac and cheese in cast iron instead of a glass casserole. I'm going to have to investigate this. I like it. Garlic potatoes. I shouldn't do these cookbook look-throughs when I'm hungry. Sauteed asparagus in cast iron. I've been doing it in my nonstick or my Dutch oven. Okay. Shirley's rice. Papa's sweet potato casserole. A lot of this is comfort food, right? Ooh, bananas. Ooh, grown-up grilled ham and cheese, fajitas, Alfredo sauce in cast iron. Okay, salmon with artichokes. I think you're gonna love this book if you pick it up at your library or buy it. Affiliate link in the comments of the video or the description. Mom's chicken pot pie. Oh, If I would make my boyfriend a shepherd's pie or a chicken pot pie, he'd be pretty happy. Beef pot roast. Yep. This is great. This is very useful. Mini meatloaves. Shepherd's pie. Yep. Okay. I'm going to learn a lot from this. Sausage and cabbage. It's time to get cooking. It's time to get reading. This is a must buy. I highly recommend it. Thanks for enjoying this cookbook look through. Follow us at Cookbook Divas on Instagram, Facebook, eventually Pinterest, and on YouTube to see more cookbook look throughs. Thanks.